Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play free kick box wall in UCL group stage event in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. This is the UCL events. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game and still confusing how you can challenge the quest. Complete the quest, challenge the event so you can get ton of rewards from it. Let's get started by tap play button. Tap the live events, tap the UEFA Champions League, and go to the main page of this event. And this is the main page. Welcome to UCL group stage. Take part in UCL events and earn UCL points. So make sure you already done the first skill game, first match, second match, the third match, and the fourth match, and make sure you win it. And after all, you are going to play this free kick box wall. This is the skill game for amateur and guarantee reward UCL point 4. Tap the play button. And in this mode you have to hit boxes. Swipe to shoot and knock over the box to earn points. Hit the color box for bonus point. This is the purple one. You can get bonus point if you can knock the ball. Let's try. Just swipe it and you are got point. Try to the purple one and you get the bonus point and success, and make sure you get point 3500. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.